Hey there, coders. Welcome back to another episode in our Rust programming series. Today, we are diving into one of the most important fundamental topics in programming, that is mathematical operation. Rust provides full support for basic arithmetic, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and finding reminders. Rust support all essential arithmetic operation you did expect. Addition by using plus symbol, subtraction using minus symbol, multiplication by using star symbol, division by using division symbol, reminder using modular symbol. These operations work seamlessly with both integer and floating point number. Rust ensures precision, safety, type correctness. Let's break down each operation with example. Let's discuss all these one by one in editor. Let's open up your editor. First, we will take addition. Declare one variable, let x of type 32 and let's say 10. Declare another variable and it's 20. Here x and y are declared as I32 integer with value 10 and 20 respectively. By using plus operator, we calculate their sum and store it in some variable. Let's create some variable type I32 and add x plus y. Now print their value. Here sum of 10 and 20 is 30. Finally, we print the result using println macro. You can similarly use addition for floating point types as well. Now it's time to take subtraction. This time let's take floating point value. Subtraction. Declare two variable. Let's say a f32 equals 3.0 and let b as 2.0. Using the minus operator, we calculate the difference and store it in diff variable. Let's print out that and see the output in console. Difference of 3 and 2 is 1. Finally, the result is printed in println macro. You can similarly use subtraction for integer types as well. Let's say here we edit the value and one more time see the output. Now it's time to take multiplication of integer type. It's time for multiplication. Let's declare, first we take floating type. So declare x as f32. Let's say 5.1 and declare y variable as 2.2, and both are floating type. Using the star operator, we calculate the product and store it in product1 variable. Product1 variable. At last, print the value of product1 and see the output in console. Now it's time for integer type multiplication. It's floating type. Now let's take integer type. Let's say let a I32 integer is equals to 5 and let b is 2. Let's calculate product 2 as I32 a star b and print product. Let's see the output. Product is 10. Now, let's look at division. Rust support both floating point and integer division. Let's say start with division. Here we declare a variable called quotient. Let's declare a value called quotient variable, sorry, of floating type and store and print it. The result of 56.7 divided by 3.5 is stored in quotient variable, and finally we print that value, and let's check in console. Floating point number are used for decimal and represent value that requires fractional precision. That's why we use F32. Now we declare another variable called truncated. Let's define that. Let truncated as I32 and minus 5 divided by 3. In case of integer division, Rust performs truncation towards 0. This means that when you divide minus 5 by 3, the result is minus 1.66 is truncated, not rounded. Remember that it's truncation, not rounded. Not rounded. The result is truncated towards 0. So the result of minus 5 divided by 3 is minus 1. Let's check it out. Truncation quotient of minus 5 and 3 is minus 1. Finally, we calculate remainder using modulus symbol. Let remainder I32 43 modulus 5. Finally, print that remainder. The modulus operator in Rust is the remainder operator. It calculates the remainder by dividing the left-hand operand, which is 43, by the right-hand operand, which is 5. Finally, we print the result of remainder and see the result in console. Here it is. Now, finally wrap up everything. Rust support arithmetic on both integer and floating for integer and floating point numbers. Integer division truncates result towards 0, while floating point division provides precise result. The remainder operator is great for modular arithmetic. Finally, it's done. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next one. Let's keep building with Rust. Thank you.